Hello friends, with a group size restriction that extends up to approximately 2 lakh members, on Telegram you can form large community of like-minded people. However, if you want to share Telegram group link, there are certain restrictions that I'll be addressing in this videos. Firstly, let's talk about the types of Telegram groups and see how you can share the Telegram group link of the respective type of groups. There are strictly two kinds of Telegram groups. First is private Telegram group. On private groups, only the admin or the group's founder can send group invitations. So if you are a founder or admin, make sure you follow the steps shown in the video immediately. Open Telegram and go to the group you own. Tap on the group name at the top and it will direct you to the settings to manage the group. Click on Add Members sitting at the top on the member list and select Invite to Group via link. This will slide a new set of options. One is where you can directly send the link to people on other social media platform or Telegram. However, if you want to post the invitation link to different platform, the easiest approach is to copy to clipboard. This way the link will be copied and you can paste it anywhere you want. Now moving on to the second type of group, that is public Telegram group. On public groups, any member can share the invitation link, so you can rest assured and open any public Telegram group you have joined. It doesn't matter whether you are an owner or an ordinary member. Once you go to the group, tap on the name of the group at the top and immediately you'll see the link of the group under info. Long press on the link to copy it, but if you directly want to share it on social media platform, you can click on the link once and you will see a similar option screen suggesting your platform where you can share the link. You can also easily revoke a Telegram group link if you want. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video on that as well, and thank you for watching this video.